Have you ever been taught to write in a gratitude journal and that all these fantastic things will come true? And then you go to write in it and like nothing comes true. And you're like, this doesn't work. I'm going to show you how to start writing in a gratitude journal to start having things attracted to you right away. My name is Karen Medeiros and I am founder of Manifestation Master Academy and Millionaire Mind. Let's go. I started writing in a gratitude journal over a decade ago, and I am telling you, it completely shifted my life. I used to wait in cash money lines because I was living paycheck to paycheck or living paycheck to 3 days after payday and then not having enough money, to now living an incredible, happy, abundant life. And it all started when I started writing in a gratitude journal. However, I started off a little bit wrong and nothing was happening. And I was like, oh, this is all kind of woo-woo stuff, until I really studied it and was like, how do I really practice gratitude that it's going to change my life? And so that was writing in a gratitude journal. However, I'm going to share with you how I write in a gratitude journal and how it's completely shifted my life, the way that I write in it. So there's three things that I write inside my gratitude journal every single day. So here's what you can do. You can get a gratitude journal that is prompted. I actually wrote my own gratitude journal, and for the reason I did is so that it was prompted. It's on Amazon. You can grab it. I'll drop the link below. However, you can write in a normal plain notebook, and that's exactly how I started. Was a blank notebook from the dollar store. But what you need to be is you need to be intentional of what you write inside the gratitude journal at all times. So I'm going to share the 3 things that I write inside my gratitude journal every single day. The first thing that I write is I write 5 things that I am grateful for every single day. And so when I open it up, I'm like, okay, I usually do my gratitude in the morning. You can do it at any time of the day, but do it at a time that is going to be routine for you, so you know that there's a routine and that you're going to not forget how to do it. So first thing in the morning, drop the kids off, come home, I write in my gratitude journal. And what I do is I am grateful for, and I just choose 5 things. What I usually do is I think about the day before, like what happened yesterday that I am so grateful for. And I will write everything that I can remember that I am grateful for. However, I do write the same thing every single day that I'm grateful for, and it's I am grateful for my healthy body as well as my family's healthy body, and then I list out my kids, my husband, and my dog. The next thing that I write in my gratitude journal are 3 affirmations. So sometimes I start these affirmations completely different, and you'll kind of go and learn of how you feel, but I will write, I am statement. So if whatever that dream or those dreams or goals are for me, I will write them that, I am whatever that is, and I'll put that into an affirmation statement. So I believe that I'm already living that life, that has already happened. And I'll also write, I am certain that. So whatever that dream, that goal is I want to accomplish, I write it as, I am certain that I am already whatever it is. The next thing that I do is I write 5 manifesting desires that I want. This is where the magic happens. This is where it all comes together. So prompting, I am so grateful now that, okay? I'm going to repeat that, and you're going to stop this video and you're going to write that down. I am so grateful now that. When you're writing one that you're so grateful and now that, you're writing it in the present tense like it's actually happened. So I write 5 manifesting desires. You don't need to write 5. I'd say that if you're just starting out, I would do between 1 and 3. I would choose something business and I would choose something personal. So what are these manifesting desires? What do you want? Do you want a new car? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want a new job? Do you want more money? Do you want more money in your savings account? Do you want to make more money? Do you want to raise? What is it? Do you want a new dress? Do you want to go on vacation? Whatever they are, you're going to write them. I would write, here's what I did, is I wrote every single dream, goal, everything that I had on a piece of paper. And what I do is I look over them and I'm like, if I could be granted a wish and being like, okay, the top 3, whatever your top 3 are, you tell me what they are right now and I will grant them to you. What are those top 3 that you would choose out? Pick those 3 and start writing them in the present tense. I am so grateful now that. And what you want to do is you're going to write that every single day. Every single day, you're going to write the same things. Now, the first 5 up there is what you're grateful for. Those are going to change every single day. Can you write the same ones every day? Yes. But these ones are manifesting desires that have not happened yet. But you're writing them as they already have happened. And what you're going to do is you're going to attach that energy, you're going to attach that vibration to them, thinking that they're already happening. So when you're writing them, I want you to really, feel like, holy crap, this has really happened. How does that feel? And you're going to write these 5 things or 3 things, whatever they are, however many you want. I would choose 1 to 3 if you're just beginning. I would write those until they've happened or until you have this feeling of like, I think it's already done. So what you need to believe is that what you're writing can come true, because if somebody has already done it, already accomplished it, already has it, to you, that is evidence. That is evidence that it's already happened. If it's happened to one person, it can happen to you, right? So 1, you have to believe. And then 2, you have to believe that what you're writing is on its way. It's already on its way. You have no idea when it's going to arrive. But the more the more you connect to it emotionally, to that, what you're writing, the stronger that emotion is and that connection is, I'm telling you, the faster it will come through. So that is how I write in a gratitude journal, those 3 prompts, and I know exactly what I'm writing. And if you want to journal anything extra, then absolutely go ahead. But journaling and writing in your gratitude journal are 2 different things. So I hope you found this helpful. And I want to know every time something in that gratitude journal comes true for you. And when it does, I want you to message me and tell me all about it. Because I know that if you strongly believe in this and that you strongly believe that these things are already on your way, that are already coming into your life, it will happen. So if this helped you in any way, you felt connected to it, I would definitely be grateful if you subscribed. I drop a new video every Tuesday at noon. And if there's anything that specifically you want to learn, drop me a comment below or message me on social media, ask me some questions, and then I can make more content for you. Have a good one.